Go to your Facebook and switch to your Facebook page. Once you are in your Facebook page, click on live video and select go live. Select a video source. In here we have to select streaming software. Here you'll find your Facebook page live stream key. Copy this live stream key from here. Now on your computer, make sure you have installed the OBS Studio. Launch OBS Studio and under sources, click this plus icon. In here, select your video source. If you want to screen share your computer to your Facebook page during live, then select display capture. Or if you want to live stream a pre-recorded video, then select media source. So in my case, I'm selecting media source and clicking on browse. And from my computer, I'm selecting my pre-recorded video that I want to stream on my Facebook live. And I'm just turning on loop option, then clicking on OK. And now you can resize your video just like this. And to stream with your microphone audio, click this plus icon, select audio input capture, and select here your microphone, click on OK. That's how you can also add your audio output capture. Select your device and click on OK. And now click on settings, select stream, service, select Facebook live, and in the stream key field, paste your stream key that you copied from your Facebook live dashboard. Then click on apply and OK. And OBS will connect with your Facebook page live. Now click on start streaming. Once your stream successfully started, go back to your Facebook live dashboard, and here under video, now you see your OBS sources. So here we can see the pre-recorded video is now showing. Now go ahead and add your live video description in here, then just write a description and a title for the live video. Now click on go live, and that's how you can actually live stream on Facebook page from OBS Studio.